Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze here of these games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means round number 2 in this long game of this tournament here from this one. So it means after round number 1 in this long game of this game from this tournament, so the next round is round number 2 in this Masters in this chess. So it means long game. So it means 1 hour and 30 minutes here. And also have between from this grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Norderbek Abdusattorov. So it means his brother by Norderbek Yukabuev from this one. So it means brotherhood or maybe cousin. So it means cousin. So it means related of this one Norderbek from this Uzbekistan. And also have a grandmaster from India is Leon Mendoka. So it means part of this India from this Leon. So it means grandmaster in the master chess here from this one. So in this round number 2 in masters in this long game in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 2 in Tata Steel chess. So white plays Norderbeck is e4, e6 Leon French defense, d4 normal variation, d5, and also e5 is called French defense advanced variation, c5. So it means c5 are nice move by Leon. So it means c5. So it means defense by bishop. And also c3, knight c6, knight f3, and also queen b6. So it means queen b6 are strong nice move by Leon from this one. So it means if you so what do you think if you capture this pawn takes d4 from this one and also knight takes d4 and also knight takes knight and also pawn takes knight. So it means pawn takes d4. So it means they decided from this nice by white and blacks here from this one. So it means variations from this focusing of this move here from white and black. So it means he moved by queen b6 are moved by strongest nice move by Leon and also a4. So it means a4 nice move by Norderbeck. So it means with the idea of this push a5. So it means threatening of this queen here from this one. And also c takes d4, pawn takes d4, and also knight h6. So it means knight h6 are simple question mark of this orange board here from this one. So it means knight h6 is also novelty of this game by Leon from black pieces from this one. Old main line there is knight g e7. So it means knight g e7 are old main lines there from this black pieces here from this one. So back novelty is knight h6 and also bishop b5. So it means bishop b5 by Norderbeck is also pin from this check from this one. So it means pin. So it means pin from this check. And also knight f5. So it means knight f5 by nice move by Leon. So it means first by knight. So with the threatening of this pawn. Second, knight attack this pawn. And third is queen this a target from this pawns here from this one. So it means it's called triple attacks here from this one. And also knight c3, bishop d7, castle kingside, and also a6 is called. So it means a6 is threatening by bishop, and also bishop takes knight, bishop takes c6, and also knight e2. So it means knight e2 with Norderbeck with idea with idea are moved by g3 here from this one. So it means decided of this. So it means will coming of this move by knight g3. So it means knight g3 are later from move. And also bishop e7. So it means bishop e7 by nice move by Leon. So it means bishop e7 with the coming of this castle king side here from this one. So it means idea from this one. I'm sorry, I got sore throat here from this one. So it means sore throat. And also b3 and also castle queen side. So it means question mark by orange board. So it means question mark. So it means does not want of this computer of this castle queen side. So the best moves there is castle king side here from this one. So determination from this one. So it means don't forget of this castle king side here from this one. So back there is castle queenside, and also bishop d2, and also king b8 forced move. So it means forced move by Leon. So it means decided to force his move by Leon. And also b4. So it means nice move by good by Norderbeck. So it means with the idea of this push a5. So it means target by queen five from this one. And also rook c8. So it means rook c8 within left side by castle king side. So it means castle king side. And so it means very, very laughter from this one. And also queen b1. So it means lost condition by Norderbeck. So it means question mark. So it means false move. So the best moves there is push a5. So it means push f5 with a target by queen. So it means push a5 here. So back there is rook b1, bishop backwards d7, and also b5. So it means b5 by developed by Norderbeck, and also capture this pawn, another bad move by Leon. So the best moves there is push a5. So it means lock from this one. So it means do not capture of these pawns here from this one. So it means by question mark. So back there is pawn takes b5, and also a takes b5, and also rook c4. So it means rook c4 with a decisions by Leon. So it means good decisions here from this one. So it means rook c4 with the upcoming of this one. So it means rook c8 with a battery. And also queen b3. So it means nice move by Norderbeck from this one. So it means decided it in this focusing of this move by Norderbeck from this queen b3. And also g5. So it means g5 by Leon. So it means by move by h5 from this one. So it means move by h5. And also h3. So it means h3 are good decisions by Norderbeck. So it means with the idea of this g4 with a target by knight from this one. And also h5. So it means strongest move by Leon. So it means strongest move with the idea of this push g4. So it means target by knight with the attacking of these knights here. And also bishop takes pawn, and also rook b4. So it means good decisions by Leon. So it means rook with a defense by bishop. So it means rook with a targets by queen from this one. So it means 7 minutes by black pieces by Leon in this India, and also 53 minutes by Norderbeck in Uzbekistan. So it means black pieces 7 minutes. So it means flawless move. So it means slow focusing move by Leon. And also queen a2, good move by Norderbeck. So it means decided here. So it means decided, it's still good decision by great move by Norderbeck Abdusaturov. And also he decided rook takes pawn here with a first rook takes pawn first. So it means we need to capture this pawn by rook. And also knight g3. So it means knight g3 with the ready attacks by knights here from this one. So it is ready for attack from this one. And also bishop takes g5. And also knight takes f5. Another good move by Norderbeck. So it means he focusing by great move. So it means great decisions by Norderbeck here from this one. And also pawn takes knight, and also knight takes bishop. So it means knight takes knight takes bishop. So it means with the coming of this, capture this f7 from this one. And also queen takes d4. So it means queen takes d4. So it means we need to capture these pawns here from this one from Leon. So it means 2 minutes by black by Leon. So it means 47 minutes by Norderbeck. So it means black by dying seconds. So it means minutes from these 2 minutes. And also rook a1. So it means rook a1 with a double with queen and rook. So it means queen or rook double. So it means Norderbeck decided he decided he did that he decided with the idea of this one by Queen 8 A8 check. So it means Queen A8 check from this development from this one. And also he moves by King C7. So it means we need he needs he needs to move by King C7 by Leon. So it means no more check. And also knight takes f7, so it means knight takes f7, so it means with the idea of this threatening of this rook from this one, so it means target. And also rook g8, so it means rook g8 from move by Leon, so it means sacrifice from this one white pieces, knight d6, so it means idea, so it means focusing by sacrifice by Norderbeck here from this one. So it means knight d6 with the threatening of this one rook from this one. And also rook b4. So it means rook b4 here from this one. You should be careful. So what do you think if you capture this queen takes pawns for these free pawns here? What do you think from this one? And also knight takes rook. So it means one rook down by Leon from this one. So it means one rook down. And also bishop takes knight. So it means bishop takes knight here. So it means bishop takes b5. So it means so black, rook, queen, sorry. So it means rook, queen, and bishop from this one. So it means rook, queen, bishop. Or maybe white is queen, double from these white pieces by Norderbeck. So it means, so it means decided by development there from this one. So back there is rook b4, and also queen a5 check, and also queen b6, queen to queen, so it means queen to queen, and also queen takes pawn, so it means avoided here. So it means Norderbeck doesn't want of this capture this queen to queen, so it means he decided to capture this pawn by queen from this one. And also rook d8, so it means developed by Leon from this one. And also last shot is knight c4 with a threatening, so it means threatening by queen from this one. So it means threatening queen. So it means knight c4. So it means Leon's give up from this round number 2. So it means give up by Leon. So why he's give up? Because, for example, if you king c6 only move from this one, and also queen a5 check, and also king c8, or maybe queen, and also knight d6 check, or maybe queen b8 here from this one, and also queen a8 check, and also king c7 from this one, so it means development. And also rook fc1, so it means rook fc1 here, and also king b6 here, and also king b6, and also queen a queen a5, so it means checkmate. So it means checkmate from this one. So it means loss from black, so it means wins for white. So it means loss by black pieces in Grandmaster Leon Dendoka. So it means slow motion move by Tinker by Leon. So it means he decided to resign from these black pieces. And the winner from this Grandmaster from this Uzbekistan is Norderbeck up to South Europe. So it means congratulations by wins in this round number 2. So it means I hope of this part of this game from this one. So thank you so much of this watching from this one. I'm Mark Luwagi 17. I cool Mark 17. Thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day. Keep safe and sayonara.